start?
Yeah, start it.
Oh. Almost had it. A little expensive part that screws everything up. What's up?
10. So whose idea was right? It's just a big ass sensor.
But there's nothing to it. Just that would have been
Rotating and touching the contacts.
But there's no, because that's like that, that's like that. That come out. There's no contacts in there. The 3 little plugs are right there. But this didn't touch nothing.
Unless it's rubbing against that.
There's no, I don't know how it would work. Because if you look at it, there's no
Contacts all around the edge.
There's no metal here along the sides. Not unless that little piece right in there. You see three little lines in there.
Yeah, almost do.
So otherwise, maybe that was like that. And I can't see that being that though. So it'd be like that. Can't be there. It has to be something like over here. Because it went like that. But there's nothing. That's confusing.
Yeah.
Not unless it was broken so bad that it twisted all the way around.
And it would take a few minutes for it to recalibrate back.
Yeah.
And that looks like the end of the plug.
That's it. Just see there's little connections in there.
And that's it.
And that's all that's in. All that's in an $80 part. 4 little pieces. That's all that's in.
That's worth $80.
$80 worth of plastic. That's it. Wow.
And stop.
Oh, we found one more part.
Guess that's where it rides on. Yeah, because look at the 2 center lines. Yeah.
So otherwise it would go along that, back and forth along that.
Telling the computer stuff.
That's weird. Cause like you got the little, just little wires.
Strands to make sure it has multiple points of contact.
Because I don't think there's.
No, nothing. You just pulled out a bit of plastic.
Yeah, because I don't think there's nothing else.
Nope, just keep out pulling plastic. So I guess that's all.
connections on the inside.
$80. That's what $80 is worth. Not all that.
Yep.
$80. Not
And-
this stuff. Not this. Not
And
this.
now you know what a TPI looks like inside.
And that'll be out. Yay.
And then you go, if you like the video, the stuff that we're doing, like below, subscribe, share with friends. And see you next time.